Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. This one I'm going to show you guys that quick braid out that I usually do after washing my hair. So my hair is really wet now, which is why I'm going to keep the towel here for this video. It's really wet, and then I'm going to just plait it out, and then I'll leave it for a few days because I don't really go out like that. But if I'm going out, I'll pull it out. But I'll leave it for a few days so it can really set and you guys can see it. All right. So let's begin. All right. So this is my little spray bottle with my mixture. But as I said, my hair is already like super wet. In doing it, I like to have my hair really, really wet. Uh, you could do small plaits, you could do big plaits. It's up to you. I prefer smaller. I know I'm going somewhere. Highly doubt I'm going anywhere soon, but let's do it a little smallish today. So let's see. So like this maybe would be two. Also, when I plait, I try not to plait hard from the root. I kind of carry it down a little, and then I plait really firm. Right? I don't plait it from the root though. The root is pretty loose. Now to plait this up at this size, it took me roughly about 20 to 25 minutes. I'd say maybe 20 minutes because in the start I was just talking a little bit first. And then from there, I just kind of catch it up in one, and this is my hair for the week, right? I just catch it up in either one, and or I let it out in the mornings and then I spray it. But usually it's back in one because I mean it looks wild like this. So it's usually in one for the time or until I'm ready to do that braid out. That's it. All right, hey guys. So this is I washed my hair on Monday. So today's Friday, so I'm gonna give you guys a simple plait out that I told you about that I usually do like literally if I feel like I'm going somewhere, or I don't do it often, only if like I know I'm going somewhere nice or something like that. Other than that it's just out or in one. We just pulled hers out too, but hers are like lighter twist. But with her here now, what's gonna happen is I just kind of open them out, so they're gonna take a little while and then they're gonna swell a little bit later on in the day. So later on in the day, they'll kind of swell a little bit more.
Yours is starting to get a little stretchy too.
Mm-hmm.
And you're growing it. And these two, they're stitching up. There was that stands mine, but a little sooner than that. Okay, now this is off in mine.
Here's a sticker.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You can do that all day.
You could do that all day.
Yeah, it's almost like clapping. But it says like this, and this, this, and this, this, and this. I'm going fully and making the noise.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
And there you have it, guys. This is the braid out. This is after I wash my hair. Oh, there's one. Sorry. Right, so this is how it usually looks. So this took me roughly, says it took me 12 minutes to record. So let's say it took maybe like 10 minutes because in the start I was just chatting. All right, so it takes anywhere from 12, 10, because depending on the sizes also that you decide to plait them in. So remember, guys, to follow, like, subscribe, share, everything. All right, enjoy. All done. There it is. There we go. First out, start up, braid out, whatever you want to call it. And then usually I'll do it to one side, like everything over here, so it has like a fallback.